We're going to try something a little different today. We're going to look at the, I hope I'm saying this right, Arturia Microlab Smart Keyboard Controller. This guy right here. Here's the story. On social media, I had posted that I was looking for some kind of little keyboard and software program to make some of my own music, because every time I try to play some music for lighting videos for you guys, YouTube likes to flag it because, you know, it's copywritten. So if I make my own stuff, they can't do that. Justin Schwartz saw this and said, hey, I think the folks at Rock and Soul would love to help you out. They're a record store in New York. They've been around since 1975. And they do records and they do DJ stuff. I've got their shirt on right now. You can see right here. It says Rock and Soul DJ and record shop since 1975. Even got some fun stickers. So I guess this is brought to you by Rock and Soul. Thank you. Let's see if we can get this up and running in a one-take video. I have not unboxed this yet. I'm not much of a musician. I haven't touched an instrument for probably over 25 years. And by the way, it's like under $100. And there's a promo code you can use if you want to go to the link in the description to get this from Rock and Soul with a little bit of a discount with the promo code. Anyway, let's just check it out. I'll move this keyboard out of the way. And we will go ahead and open this up right here on camera. Okay. There we go. All right, here we are inside the box. We have just this little keyboard right here. And some stuff here. It's like a barcode. Probably should get my reading glasses for some of this. Not sure what a lot of this is. Probably registration stuff. But let's see how easy this is to do. I'm going to go ahead and take the packaging material off. My impression is that it's USB powered. Come on, buddy. There we go. All right, we'll put this stuff aside for a minute. Don't eat this. Just don't. I don't know what it is, but don't eat it. All right. Okay, the USB is like actually attached to this. So you've got to pull this out and unwrap it from around the casing, it looks like. Here. This one's orange. I think it comes in different colors. It feels like a blue and a black or something. Okay. So there's our keyboard. Take the USB and just plug it in and see if anything just happens magically. Okay. Oh, it's setting up the device. By the way, this is a PC. It's Windows 10. It says device is ready. Well, so much for a one-take video. Sorry about that. But it was worth it. I had to get my reading glasses so I could see on this little card that I was going to have to go to the Arturia website to not only register the product, but to create an account and download the free softwares that I was going to need to use this Microlab. So I did it. One of the things I had to do is type in these little codes here. They're small, but they're there. I typed those in, and then I was able to download some stuff. One of the things I downloaded was this right here. It's called an Analog Lab 5, and I've messed around with it a little bit, so I didn't waste your time. This is neat. It's got virtual instruments in it. It's stuff I didn't expect. For instance, first thing I noticed right here, going way back to the old days for me, when I used to do music in another life, was the CMI, which is the Fairlight. This is Yes, Owner of a Lonely Heart, Art of Noise, ZZ Top Afterburner. This is also Tears for Fears, Song for the Big Chair. It's Pet Shop Boys, Janet Jackson, Jane Child. It's a lot of stuff. It's a cool sound. You'll recognize it. So the whole sample library isn't here. Apparently, you can download the whole sample library if you want to, which I might do because I really like the sounds. It's like the first 8-bit sampler. But let me just play you what they pop up here as a sample for the CMI and see if you recognize it. See if I can do this. Sound familiar to you? Moments in Love, Art of Noise, of course. I think this is also, and I can't remember how to play it, it's also Shout, Tears for Fears. They use the same patch. But there's other things too. There's all kinds of virtual instruments here that you can play. There's a clavinet, there's an ARC 2600. I'm just looking here. Emulator 2, DX7, the Juniper 6 and Juniper 8. If I remember right, that's all the really cool old Duran Duran stuff. We'll just click on it and see what we get. Oh, how much fun is that? Also on the CMI, I found something that was kind of fun. There's they call it a breakdance beat or something like that. What's it called? 83 breakdance. So check this out. This is 808. This is like Shannon and not Shannon, Shaka Khan and Loose Ends and all that cool stuff. It's a stupid loop somebody made, but how much fun is that? You can play it in different places on the keyboard. Of course, you add bass to it, you know. I probably distorted the microphone there. I mean, so it's got bass. I just have to turn it down so I don't distort the camera because I got a big subwoofer under here. Something I haven't looked at is the other software package. Let's go ahead and look at that. Analog Labs 4. Let's open that up and see what's there. I have no idea. This is new. Okay, we have a very different synth here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's see. What's it? Synths. Okay, yeah, here we go. Synths. It's going to give us all the synths we can play with. We can go pianos. We can go organs. What's Cheap Combo sound like? I want to hear this. Cheap Combo. Oh yeah, that's very Atari 2600 video games, isn't it? Oh, let's find something cool. I don't know what would be cool. Square Fat. Let's look at pianos. Let's go to jazz time. Mid-range. Let's try multi and see what that's. Okay, this is interesting. ARP and lead. Wow, this is very like Blade Runner. It's so silly. This is a hoot though. Yeah, I know it's terrible. It's absolutely awful. I'm out of practice and I got one hand. But yeah, those are some of the multi-instruments you can do. Let's see. I don't know. Replicant strings. Let's see what that's all about. Yeah, more movie music. You can adjust it too. It shows you bass, cello, upper violin, upper trumpet. You can make the sound your own. This is pro stuff. Anyway, kind of fun, right? I think I'll have fun with this. I think it'll be something that, you know, for under $100, anybody would have fun with. We'll figure out how to record with it. I don't know, maybe I gotta download something else. I have no idea. But I can spend days on this. I know I can. Just picking out songs. But yeah, for under $100, why not, you know? Just be creative. Maybe I can make some of my own beats later on. Some of my own music so I can play stuff and have lights do things without YouTube yelling at me because it's my own stuff. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'd say quick video, but I know this wasn't a quick video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll do more on this later. I appreciate you. Take care of yourselves, practice, and enjoy.